Punakahi haya haya. Punakahi hai hai. Para para ram rai. Kahi Prabhu Gadgara Akyane. Ramananda Pari Shloka Shuni Prabhu Harsha Shoka. Apane Prabhu Karane Vyakane. In a faltering voice, Gadgara. Sound familiar? Lord Chaitanya in a faltering voice. Nayanam Galad Ashugaraya. Gadgadam Hriya Gira. Gadgadam, he's choked up in the level of Bhav. So he's in Mahabhav. So he says, hi, hi. Punakai, hi, hi. Para Ram Rai. Mahaprabhu said, alas, alas, O Ram Rai, speak more poetry, speak more beautiful verses. And Rai began to recite a verse. While listening to this following verse, Mahaprabhu then started explaining it. And what verse is it? It's verse number 39 of the 10th canto, chapter 29. This is Antilila, chapter 15, verse number 70. And it's also in Madhya Lila, chapter 24, verse 50. So this is the lead-in. What I was reading you is the lead-in, an expansion of this same verse, where the gopis are glorifying the beauty of Krishna. Your beautiful face, his tresses of hair. It's a different translation, also by Srila Prabhupada, by the way. Oh, dear Krishna, seeing your beautiful face decorated with tresses of hair, seeing the beauty of your earrings falling on your cheeks, and seeing the nectar of your lips. That's interesting. Seeing nectar. It's like looking at sweet rice and not drinking it. Seeing the nectar. Oh, it's sweet rice. Oh, yes, very nice. So the gopis are seeing the nectar of Krishna's lips, and when they're not getting it, and the beauty of your smiling glances, your two arms, which assure complete fearlessness. Dattam abhayam. And your broad chest, whose beauty arouses conjugal attraction or amorous interest. We have simply surrendered ourselves to becoming your maidservants. Bhavamadasya. In other words, we've seen your product, we've seen what you're offering, and we say, Dasosmi, Dasyasmi. I'm your servant. I accept it. I want it. Any connection with you is fine. It's perfect and unlimitedly blissful. So this was the section I just wanted to read to further appreciate the beauty of Krishna.